about this new project here, the F30 BMW. Me and Waqta have been on a mission just to find these parts for this car, which is an absolute nightmare. As you can see, it's still in the same kind of glory in its way. As you can see here, we need a wing, we need a headlight, we need all the front pieces, basically all the plastics, all the bumper, the grills, the plastics, the fog lights. But you know what, me and Waqta, we don't waste time. We've got everything in a matter of, well, how long has it been? Probably a few days. A few days it took us to find all these parts. So yeah, I'm going to show you all the parts right now, so stay tuned, please. As you can see on the table here, we have got literally all the front pieces for the car, all the plastics that we will need for the front end of this BMW 3 Series. So I'm going to be honest with you, I ain't got a clue what some of these pieces are, but let's just see what we've got. So as you can see, from what I can tell, it looks like it's a jet, and yeah, we do need the jets because I believe one of them is broken. So there you go, that's a new jet right there. For the headlights, we have got two there, because you know what, they were on for a good price, so we thought, you know, might as well just buy both, just in case if the passenger one needs to be changed. But mostly the parts we needed was for the driver's side, but with the price and the deal we've got, we've decided to just get both, the whole lot. Right, as you can see there, that's a front plastic piece there for the bumper. I believe that's the middle part of the bottom piece. As you can see here, we have the side ones that the fog lights will go on there, and we have got the fog lights which are in that box over there. As you can see, they're slightly darker than normal. I went for like a tinted style look. Reason being is because I want to do like a full stealth blacked out look car on the 3 Series. So nothing light and shiny and that, it's all going to be black. Got two in there as well. Right, what have we got here? This is the grills. As you can see there, gloss black grills. I went for the double slot ones instead of the singular ones, because I think the double one just gives it that look, just that better look. Got both of them there as well. Just leave that there. Here we have the driver's side headlight. We got this from Manchester sides, so it was a bit of a trek, but all worth it. The price we got it for, I don't think we'll get that anywhere else. And check it out, it's all in good order. We tested it as well, works fine. What else do we have, guys? These are, I don't know what you call these, to be honest. They are at the bottom of the bumper over here. They go over there somewhere. We've got both of them as well. Just, yeah guys, we just got all these plastics that I'm not too sure what they're for. But all I know is they're all for the front end of this car. See that? We got both sides. We got literally everything here for the car. We have also got the bumper, the wing, and we've also bought the M Performance kit. So front splitter, side skirts, rear diffuser. The car's already got a wing. Wing. So we don't need to get a wing. I'll show you those in a minute. Also, guys, I forgot to mention, if you are looking for parts for your F30 BMW, all the plastics, get at Ali. He is based in Manchester, and I will put his link down in the description. So a link for his socials, a link for his YouTube and whatnot. So get him for all your parts. And also he also does the M Performance kit, so if you want that as well, he is the man to go to. He gave us a really good deal, and I'm pretty sure he will give you guys a good deal as well. Also, I have got this spray paint for the bars that are hidden behind the grills. At the moment they are black, so you can't really see them. Once I give them a bit of a paint, which is this blue, it will look really nice and it will match the calipers, all I hope. So we'll find out later on in this process. I'm gonna also show you guys other parts I got which I won't fit on the table, so stay tuned. So guys, as you can see, we have the front M Sport bumper. Along with it we have the front splitter in a matte sort of finish. I am thinking whether to do it gloss black or keep it matte, so I'm still thinking about that. With the bumper though, it was very hard to find one with just the jets. Otherwise they come with jets with the sensors, or no jets and no sensors. And we were thinking, you know what, they are a bit pricey on eBay and Facebook, and they do need to be painted. So we thought, let's just get one that needs a full paint job, rather than one that has a few marks here and there and gotta have to get it sprayed half and that. So we thought, let's just get one that needed a full spray job. So that's that. Here we've got the side skirts that are gonna go on the side of the car in a matte finish as well, same as the front splitter. Still debating on doing it gloss or keep it matte. Here got the diffuser, singular tip on each side, and it's again finished in matte. Still debating. I am thinking of doing it gloss black. Reason being is to keep it that stealth look, but then at the same time matte does look nice, so still thinking about that. Again, these parts, the side diffuser, splitter, are all from Ali, Manchester. I will again leave his links and that in the description. The bumper was just in eBay. Someone from Manchester had that at a good price, so we've got that. And that is about it guys for the whole of the car parts that we need for the front, and obviously the kit. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this short video. Hopefully this video is like helpful for someone out there that's doing the same kind of sort of project to their 3 Series. Also, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. We are getting to the higher numbers, but with your help we will go on further. So thank you for watching. Peace.